Alright, today we're going to smoke out our tail lights. I already have it prepped. Have my can of nightshades here. Have this side prepped as well. Now we got to do is just spray it. Alright, I have all my lenses wiped out. Okay. And we're going to do nice even coats. That's one. Let's do two. And we'll do this one. We'll do one more time. Sweet. And that actually looks pretty good as it is already, but I'm gonna make them a little bit more darker. So I'm gonna wait for the first coat to dry up, then we'll apply another coat. All right, we'll hit it again. Sweet. And I think that's it. That's it. We're not gonna go any darker. We do not need to get pulled over. So now it's time for the satisfaction time. Let's take this off. Woo! Look at that. Sheesh. Let's try this one. Pull these back. I usually like to take this tail light off, but on this car, you have to remove the bumper. And I'm getting ready for work. No time for that shit. So now, this is the tricky part. This is where I'm gonna need both hands. Sweet, and there it is. Not too dark, not too light. Just perfect. I like that blood red instead of the bright red. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh look, it's my initials, Jorge Lopez.